Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion on your phone for students. First, download the Notion app from your device's App Store, available for both iOS and Android. Next, sign up for a free account, ideally using your student email to access potential educational benefits. You can then explore a wide array of pre-built templates, like a class schedule or assignment tracker, to kickstart your organization. All your work automatically syncs across every device, ensuring you always have access to your notes and tasks. Organizing your academic life is simple with Notion on your phone. Create individual pages for each course, keeping all related materials in one place. Utilize databases to manage assignments, setting due dates and status updates for clear oversight. You can easily embed lecture slides or PDF readings directly into your notes for quick reference. Plus, jot down quick thoughts or reminders instantly, ensuring no important detail is ever forgotten. Notion also excels as a collaborative and study tool. You can effortlessly share pages with classmates, making group projects and shared notes a breeze. Work together on documents in real time, seeing updates as they happen, which is incredibly efficient. Create interactive study guides using toggle lists for active recall, or even embed simple quizzes. Linking related concepts across various pages helps build a comprehensive knowledge network for better understanding. To truly boost your productivity, personalize your Notion workspace. Customize pages with unique icons and cover images to make them visually engaging and easy to navigate. Set up timely reminders for crucial deadlines, exams, or meetings directly within your tasks. Utilize linked databases to connect related information, like linking a project to its associated research notes. Explore integrations with other apps to further enhance your workflow and streamline your student life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.